from economics, sociology, environmental psychology, the engineering and science of putting buildings together, architects are actually equipped to add value to a lot more things than you might imagine. And I cut my teeth in the whole area of system building in the hospital field. And I admired greatly the work that Norman Foster did with the Sainsbury Centre. It was designed and engineered as an assemblable kit of parts. I thought, well, maybe it's time to find a way of creating a system of construction that permits very flexible design that would be affordable, much more efficient, could be the beginning of a whole new array of innovations in construction technology. It was those streams of activity that came together along with my concerns about how to make built environments do a better job of human well-being and health that caused the creation of what we have today. The simulations that we do with ARCHICAD are pretty significant. We have explored maybe 70 different prototypes. It gives us a very, very good way of quickly comparing one design solution with another as far as energy consumption and the carbon footprint. So we can actually look at projected energy costs for any owner or occupant. We change a specification for a window, or we change something to do with our wall insulation or the geographic location of something, and it changes that model automatically. Frankly, ARCHICAD gives us a ready-made toolkit for enabling us to customize whatever we want, and it has the reporting and BIM infrastructure built into it. That provides us with a very important feed into places like Rhino and Grasshopper and our spreadsheets, which tell us how much labor, materials, contractors overhead is involved in thus and such a square footage of drywall or other finishes, so that what gets cut and manufactured is as efficient as possible. We stand on a three-legged stool of technology, and ARCHICAD is part of the triad. If that goes, the stool falls over. Architects may well evolve into being very accomplished technologists, inventors, equipped with those tools, the ability to rapidly generate absolutely inspiring insights into what could be.